In this video we take an honest look at JEFIT to see how well it works as a workout tracking and routine building app. JEFIT offers a large exercise library, clear instructions, and solid tracking tools that let you log sets, reps, and weights while monitoring long-term progress, making it appealing for people who enjoy structured strength training. Based on publicly available information, the free version is functional enough for most users who simply want to track their workouts without paying. However, many of the smoother features like cloud sync, advanced analytics, and ad-free use require a paid subscription, and the interface can feel cluttered. Users also report occasional bugs such as syncing issues or missing workouts across devices, which can interrupt consistency. While the app provides huge flexibility, the community-made routines vary in quality, so beginners may feel lost without clear guidance or structured coaching. Overall, JEFIT works best for experienced lifters who know how to plan their sessions and want detailed tracking, but it may feel overwhelming or unreliable for beginners seeking simple, stable workout support. Stick around and subscribe for more clear and honest fitness app reviews.